All right, guys. What are ways to compare numbers to 120? I can compare two numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to signs. I'm going to play a little video just to get our brains up and moving this morning. After our Hobby, I love this store. Hobby Lobby commercial. All right.
Firing Yumis.
Firing Yumi.
Firing Yumis.
Firing Yumi. Time out.
Do you surrender?
I'll never give up. But you've got way more Yumis than me.
You mean Bits Yumi Pal is greater than yours?
Huh?
I'm the dude that tells which side has more than the other. Like now, Bits, you've got way more Yumis than Dizzy.
What?
Here, listen up. My name is greater than, but some folks call me less. People talk about me in the east and in the west, while my skinny rear points to what happens to be less. I always face the greater stuff, but great ain't always best. Hear these words, my dear friends, I'll tell you what I'm for. When you see two groups of things, I always face what's more. I have a real good friend, equal sign is his name. When he's between two things, you know they're just the same. Now equals is a problem, no matter you must confess. To show the greater thing, think of me, I am the best. My face looks greater, my rear points to less. Yes, I take a greater sound to play my guitar. But if you're talking 30 dishes, I'll take less by far. So now to show what's greater, there's no need to stress. To show the greater thing, think of me, I am the best. My face looks greater, my rear points to less.
Greater. Less. Greater. Less. Greater. Less. Greater. Less.
Greater,
Greater. Greater. Less.
now I've seen most everything there is to see in this whole world. I find it works for boys and for women and for girls. It works for soccer players too, and even for footballers. Say it with me, come on now, let me hear you holler. Show the greater thing, think of me, I am the best. My face looks greater, my rear points to less. That show the greater thing, think of me, I am the best. My face looks greater, my rear points to less.
One of Miss Harold's favorite songs to teach greater than, less than. So, our global awareness. London is the capital city of England. Let's compare the two buildings there. So, this says the Shard has 87 floors and the Heron Tower has 46 floors. So, at home, talk to an adult or a brother or sister. Which building is the tallest? How do you know? Look at those two numbers. Compare them. Use the words greater than, less than, or equal to describe the heights of those two buildings. So, our review. It says which number will make the equation true. So, our double stack says 6 plus 6. What is 6 plus 6? We know that 6 plus 6 is 12, so now we need to figure out, so 12 equals 7 plus what number is going to equal 12? So we have our unknown number, so 7, and I'm going to draw some dots to give me my answer. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know that 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to equal 12. So 12 then equals 12. Number 2, how many 10s and 1s are shown? You are going to count the 10s and count the 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 10s and 0 1s, 4 10s and 4 1s, 4 10s and 5 1s, and 5 10s and 5 1s. Well, I know it's not that one. And then I need to count my 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that I have 4 10s and 5 1s. Number 3, Finn writes the number 42. 10 more than 42. So if you were looking at that plus sign, what number is 10 more than 42? That's the number underneath. So 10 more than 42, you're going to add 10, is 52. 10 less than 42, you're going to take away 10. So 42 minus 10 equals 32. Let's go through some examples. This says complete each sentence, write greater than, less than, or equal to. Then write the signs to show. So this says 47 is blank 65. Think to yourself, 47 is greater than 65, 47 is less than 65, or 47 is equal to 65. Think about this at home. Look at those 10s and 1s to see which one has more. If you're at home and you said that 47 is less than 65, go ahead and kiss your brain because you are correct. And we know that the alligator likes to eat the bigger number, so the alligator would eat that 65 because he wants more food. We're going to look at this second example right here. We've got some frogs over here and some frogs over here. So what we're going to do, we're going to first count to see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we have 6 on one side and 6 on the other, which side is the alligator going to eat? Think about it. 6 on one side, 6 on the other. The alligator's not going to be able to pick because he wants the bigger number. Those numbers are the same, so it says 6 equals 6. You can work through those other examples on this slide for extra practice. Here's a similar example to what we had at the beginning. Choose 2 number cards for each problem. Compare the numbers, write less than, greater than, or equal to. Use each number card one time. So I like to go ahead and pick my numbers and put them on lines before I put my signs. So I'm going to choose 29 and 19. I might choose 1 and 12. And then I'm going to choose 73 and 88. Remember, the alligator always eats the bigger number. So you're going to look at those signs and you're going to think about it. 29 and 19. The alligator wants that bigger number. Make sure the mouth always opens to that bigger number. 1 and 12. 73 and 88. Always opens to the bigger number. Our question for today that you can either record or write on a sheet of paper, how would you compare 2 numbers using symbols? So think back to what we just did on this slide. Think about those symbols. How do you pick which one goes where? And your last thing that you have to do is your Envisions pages, 515 through 500.